everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is going to be super different, like super different. So I'm going to be showing y'all how I got my braided hairstyle that I did a couple weeks ago, and it literally was the easiest thing to do, like the easiest thing to do. So that's what I'm going to show y'all. So I have my hair like freshly blow dried. I didn't wash it because literally I'm not going anywhere. So I'll be taking this out when I'm done with this video. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our comb and we're gonna comb through this madness. Now this is all my real hair. No, I'm not mixed with anything. I am fully black. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna part our hair down the middle. Now the person that I saw do this video was Alyssa Forever. She did this exact same tutorial and I wanted to try it out, and when I tried it out that weekend, the boys came to the yard and I didn't even have to shake no milkshake. Like the braid was my like whip, like my whip to get him. So if you do this hairstyle, just be prepared for the boys to come to the yard. So we're gonna part this down the middle. And then we're only working with one side because as you can see I have like jewels on this side. So we're going to part this and make sure it goes behind the ear. So we're just parting this behind the ear. And we're only working with one side, so you can tie the rest of this back into a pony. Let it to pony. Okay, so we have our section parted off. I'm going to use some Shine and Jam. This is the bootleg version of Jam, but it works just as good, and it's only $2.99. So I'm just gonna put this around my edges so we can get them flat. Make sure you just brush it back so you can get those edges laid down. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the design. So I'm gonna start here and we're just gonna make little triangle designs. I don't really know how to explain this part, but basically come in at an angle for the first part, but don't make them too small because you don't want to sit here all day and be trying to put the jewels in. Okay, so this is going to be our first part. Okay, it's kind of a triangle, but since this is the first one, it doesn't really look like a triangle, but this is going to be our first part. So I'm just going to take some more Shine and Jam just to smooth out this top part. Make sure you brush it. So to hold these down, I'm taking these elastic rubber bands. These are by Proclaim, and these are the Super Stretch Professional Rubber Band, the clear ones. These are the ones that won't break your hair off, okay? So these are what we're gonna use. So I'm just going to tie this around the first one. Make sure everything is flat. We don't have any like hair sticking up. We're just gonna wrap the rubber band around. Now that we have that, we're gonna tighten this. So just split the hair in two and just wiggle it up there. So that's our first section. So our next section is going to come this way. Okay, so the difference with this one is I'm going to attach these two pieces together, but with the hair below, I'm going to twist it. So as you can see, I have the rubber band right here, and I'm going to twist the bottom, and we're just going to connect these two together. Okay, so now that we got those two pieces connected, we're gonna just finish this third section. So we're gonna tie all this hair back into a ponytail. But we're gonna leave this section out, and I will show you what we do with this section when we put all this hair up. So, wish me luck. And literally, we're gonna put this hair right here in the center. Don't do it towards the side. I mean, you can do it towards the side that your braid is going to be on, but try to place it in the center. For this section right here, we are going to wrap it around the ponytail. And if your ends are a little like frizzy, just go in with that whatever like grease or gel or jam that you're using, and just kind of flatten it out. So now you just need to secure it with a bobby pin. Okay, now that we got that secured like so, it's up in there. Okay, so the hair that I have is the just jumbo braiding hair, and this is 2 packs of hair, and this is in 4B. I probably should have got it in my regular color 2B, but as you can see, I have some like light pieces at the bottom, but it meshed well with my hair or whatever. So with the 2 packs of hair, I took the, you know, there was like a rubber band at the top. I cut the rubber bands off and I connected the 2 bundles. Okay, so I can't get the rubber band off, but basically what I did is looped. So as you can see, it's looped. So come from under, I don't know if you could tell, and then just slip it through. Like that. I know I didn't explain that well, but I'll show you. So this is the bundle. You're gonna loop from under, and you're gonna put one of the sides through the other, and this is how it should be, like so. So I also did feather the ends. I kind of pulled the ends of the hair so they're not, it's not like a blunt cut at the bottom. It's more, you'll have like enough braiding hair to, you know, get to the end of the hair. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna place this hair with the elastic around our natural hair. So that is hanging like this. Now I do have these lighter pieces. I'll show you how to tuck those. So if you have like a lighter piece, lighter hair, that's different from the braiding hair, it's okay because you can always tuck the hair. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to section off the hair into 3 different pieces. Now it's going to be difficult because I struggled in the beginning, but I think I should have the hang of it now. So just section it off into 3 equal pieces as best as you can. And this hair gets like really tangly, so be patient because it can get tangled real quick. Okay, so now that we have our 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to take this section close to my hair, and that's going to be the leading braid. Okay, that's going to be the leader. So I'm just going to wrap it around the second piece. And then take the outer piece and bring that towards the center. Now it is a lot of hair, so if you mess up, it's okay to start over, because I started over with this braid like 4 different times when I was going out that one night. So there's a shorter piece right here. We're gonna tuck this towards the center so that when I twist it over, you don't see my color at the bottom. For the end of the hair, I didn't go all the way down because I personally like, you know, some hair being left out. So this is where I'm going to stop. You can definitely braid all the way down. And we're just gonna put an elastic rubber band on it. So now that we got that done, another thing that I like to do is kind of loosen up the braid by just pulling on the braid. So it looks like kind of more thick. So what I like to do, what I like to do next is tame these flyaways. And I'm just going in with that Shine and Jam. And just taming the flyaways. So one of my little elastics broke. So if that happens, we are gonna go in with these gold clips that you can get at any beauty supply store. And we are going to hold it down, P-O-P, with the clip. So to slick my edges down, the only thing that will hold these bad boys together is Gorilla Glue. So I'm going to try to open it. And this stuff is literally like, did I say Gorilla Glue? I meant Gorilla Snot. And make sure you put this all around the hair just so that it looks slick down. Because my hair is known for not being slick down. So this is the finished look. I had a little technical difficulty right here. All the rubber bands broke. So side note, I would use the black rubber bands because they hold thicker hair a lot better. But this is the finished look. My first hair tutorial. I really do hope you guys like it. It's really super easy and it will literally, you will slay. Like, I got so many compliments on this hair, I kid you not. And mostly from guys. They was like, I'm really feeling your hair. And they weren't gay, I swear. Alright, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this first hair tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.